Hey guys, welcome to my channel Service Autopedia. In today's video, we are gonna unbox my new Prismacolor 48 color pencils. This is my Prismacolor. Just gonna open it. There are a variety of colors in this. This is the second rack. It's a wax-based pencil, meaning that it is smooth and waxy. It also has gold and silver pencils. So now it's time for the testing of these pencils. I'm going to pick a color. Let's say crimson red. Okay. I'm mildly trying to blend these pencils. I'm picking another color. I'm doing it again. Now let's test whether it's smooth or not. This came out very well. Now using the cream pencil. Okay, let's test out the gold and silver pencils. I'm doing the same what we did with the red and the blue. We're just gonna blend it. So let's test whether how it is reacting to all the bends. It is pretty good. So now I would like to conclude that Prismacolor is a good start for beginners. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share it. Thank you.